BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to one analyzer, since the price was within this move, exactly here we mentioned we mentioned we're looking for the buy, and we mentioned about the different possibility. There was a two opportunity, either buy from this correction or here. The best was to get the trade from this. All right. Anyway, anyone who and anyone get the trade, since we mentioned if we get the any trade with the breakout of this stuff, we have to start to manage because no one see what's the next. What we have here turn to a corrective. No, if you want to look for continuation, we need to get the correction. If we get a correction, we can look for continuation. The only thing is whatever the trade from here we get, we start to manage. And in this case, we start to, we move to daily chart. As we can see, even if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we want the price to break the previous stop. This is, and as we get the price broke, now we're looking for continuation. Okay. And again, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this, we have been looking for this move. We have been looking for buy. Whatever the trade from here, this move we have to start to manage in case this one turn to a flat and we get the one more drop. We are not looking for the drop. The only thing is we have to protect or manage our trade since the price have broke the previous top. And what we expect for the continuation. All right. In this case, we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart we have nothings, so similar to whatever I explained based on daily chart. And the only thing is if we want to look for trade, we need to get the trade set up, we need to get the correction, then from there we can look for trade. We need to be quite careful. If we put this one in relative to this, if we refer to the indicators, we see the divergence. We are not looking again for reversal, but we can expect to get a bigger correction. Okay. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we have nothing. If there is a continuation similar to what we have here, mostly we can get the drop for next up move. Maybe we get something similar to what we have here. Maybe we can expect the running flat for continuation. That's why if we want to buy here, we have to wait to get the correction. Rather than that, we cannot jump into the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is whatever the trade we get from this, we have to start to manage. And now we wait, we see what we get here. If we get any trade setup, then from there, correction, if we get then from there we can look for buy. But if this one tend to correct, if any sharp move with the flag, this is where we should take out all the trades we have here. Simply similar to what we have here, sharp move flag. Then, because as I mentioned, we can expect to get the running flat before we get the next move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.